Okay, so what we're going to talk about in this video is some of the possibilities that exist with trading SPX options, more so SPX 0 DTE options that are options that expire in the same day. So with 0 DTE options, there are potential for huge profits within a short period of time. But also on the flip side, there are possibilities of large losses. So the same goes for losses as with wins. But there are several risk strategies that you could apply so that whenever you take a trade, it is more likely that it'll be profitable than not profitable. Okay, so right now we're looking at one options contract for the SPX. This was on trading on Friday, which was the 5th of June, right? So at some point before the market opened around 6:40 in the morning, that option was worth around $208. So at that time, I was just about waking up, but I normally don't trade outside of market hours, at least not yet. I am able to trade. They on Robinhood I could trade outside of market hours, but I haven't started doing that yet. But anyways, this one option was worth $208. I'll go to the next image, and you will see that later on in the day at 3 p.m. when the market is getting to around about when the market is going to close, you'll see that the same option is worth somewhere around $11,000. It did go as high as 12,000, but the chart is not showing that. So what that means that you could have made around $12,000 with just $200. So that's a lot of profit within one day, from just $200. And this happen well, this really doesn't happen every day, this large of a profit, but something similar like this happen. You could make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. But this happened on a day where the SPX, or the SPY, which is an index that tracks the S&P 500, um, it went down significantly. I think this SPY was down about 5%. And the Nasdaq was down like 1,100 points. Something like this never happened since April of 2024, like a year and 2 months ago. So this particular move doesn't happen like every day, but you have similar moves where the market might go, it might go up significantly in a day. It might go up, might go down. All right. So this is just one option that shows that where you could have made $12,000. Obviously, I didn't make $12,000 that day, but I did make a small profit. On that trading day, I did take a call on one of these bounces, um, and I also take a put, and both trades were profitable. So this is another option. This one, I did take a trade on this one. I do believe I took this put. So earlier in the day, before the market opened at 7:15, this one was worth around $23, and it went as high as $2,245. If you had purchased this one right about before the market opened, you could have made $2,000. And again, I didn't catch this trade, so these are all in hindsight. It's hard to catch these moves. There are several things that you could do where that whenever you enter a trade, it'll be more profitable, more likely to be profitable. But I didn't catch this one. I actually catch this one round about here when it made this dip, and this was when the market was getting ready to close. Um, it went as low as $68. But I did purchase this one at around $120. Yeah, I sold it for like maybe three forty is where I sold it at. But it did went as high as $1,000 right here. Yeah, it really did went as high as $1,000. So these are some of the possibilities that exist with trading the SPX options, more so the 0 DTE options. All right. Thanks for watching.